Hi, we are from CyberLink, and today we will present a webinar on FaceMe and U-Alerts. My name is Richard Carrière. I'm SVP and General Manager. I will first do a presentation, and my colleague will do a demo, and I will come back at the end.
Hi everyone, my name is Craig Campbell. I'm the Manager for Sales Engineering at CyberLink, and I'll be doing the demo for FaceMe and U-Alerts today.
CyberLink FaceMe is the world's top cross-platform AI facial recognition engine. With 99.7% accuracy rate, it's one of the most precise engines in the world. It's optimized for edge computing, which means that it can run extremely fast without the need to do cloud processing, and it's also very safe because you don't need any cloud connection. It runs cross-platforms on Windows, several variations of Linux, on iOS and Android. U-Alerts adds an additional module to FaceMe, where basically it will send messages to respective people depending on who is identified by a camera, let's say a VIP customer, a blacklisted person, or an employee. And that's exactly how it works. It's a very simple notification, so FaceMe detects instantly somebody, and depending on how people are registered in the database, let's say you have a customer who's part of a loyalty program at a store, the sales associates can receive a message asking them to take special care of this customer, or a registered visitor at an office. Employees could be monitored when they log in and log out, so clock in and clock out the business, or also if they enter secure areas, restricted areas. Blacklisted people, automatically security agents can be notified to handle the situation, and strangers can be met so that they are asked to identify themselves. U-Alerts then sends a message either to a smartphone or a PC, and the message is relatively straightforward. It shows who is the person who has captured the location, a picture of the live capture that just happened compared to the database picture, and a short video. This can be done through connecting into U-Messenger, which is CyberLink's own messaging system, or it can also connect in other messaging systems. There's many use cases for FaceMe and U-Alerts. Smart City to identify people of interest or monitor crowds. In retail, it can connect into CRM systems for loyalty customers, or just protect the facilities by identifying blacklisted people when they enter. Smart office and smart homes, both cases, it can do door security and surveillance, and the application can also be useful to many more areas such as banking, industrial sites monitoring, healthcare, and others. Let me share a few use cases with you. At home, you can integrate U-Alerts to a smart door lock system. So whenever somebody comes in the house, let's say it's a resident or a visitor, you can send a positive alert. Or if it is an intruder or somebody who's on the public list of burglars or people who you don't want, then you can also get an alert and advise the authorities. The same kind of functionality can be applied to the business place, the workplace. So let's say you have a visitor who comes at the door. If you have pre-registered this visitor, you can come and greet him automatically, or you can also intercept blacklisted people. U-Alerts and FaceMe can be integrated into existing surveillance security systems. So let's say a complete IP camera system would be able to send alerts to the right people. And this can be also working in a multi-location environment, where let's say you have stores in different cities in New York, Los Angeles, and across the country. You could have a centralized database for loyalty program members or for blacklisted people. Or you could have also a notification for employees who would work in different locations. Another use case that's quite relevant is in healthcare. FaceMe is installed in medicine cabinets. So by adding FaceMe and U-Alerts, you can advise people of the presence of undesirable or unknown people. You can also log who comes in, and even if somebody is authorized to use it, when they come, the frequency, how long they stay, etc. So it can be quite relevant for security. If we wrap up the benefits of FaceMe and new alerts, many of them. First, it's very easy to implement. It's a simple plugin into FaceMe. The accuracy, this tool is way better than any human-based recognition system, and it notifies the right people immediately without any hesitation, which makes it very fast, reduces the response time, so makes the overall area safer, which results in reduced costs of security and compliance. Now, Craig will do a demo. Thank you.
Thank you, Richard, for that great introduction to FaceMe and uAlerts. Now, let's see this in action. Here you can see our FaceMe Security portal. It uses FaceMe and uAlerts. Currently under Visitors, no one's shown up yet. Or under History. Under People Database, I have VIP, but no one's in there, or Employee, but on the Blacklist, I do have myself entered in. Here you can see 3 photos of myself. Shows up in red for blacklisted person. You can see Technology Thief, Self-Employed, Urgent Call Security, Local Police. Now, I want to be notified whenever this person, specifically me, shows up. So I can join the alert group by clicking on this button. It will automatically bring up a window where I can install. I've already installed it, or you can install our Messenger software. And once I've joined this group, I then will be notified for anyone who shows up. Okay, so let's go ahead and enable that. So we joined. Now all we have to do is turn on this camera. So it's an HP Omen camera, the Hanwha. It's our entry for high security area. So I want to be notified as soon as someone shows up on there. So as soon as that camera is turned on, we can now go in there and start triggering this. Let me show you. Okay. All right, that's one. And there's another. So you can see quickly and easily we've been added to the list. So you can see here, notifications are coming in quickly, left and right. So minimize that so you can see all the notifications here on the right hand side. You can see a person on the blacklist has shown up, Craig Campbell, the Hanwha camera, date, time. It shows you the database file, a live photo, and a little video image that you can show as well. And this will play back. You can see that it captured me. And that's our FaceMe uAlerts. Back to you, Richard.
Thanks, Craig, for this demo. Thanks, everyone, for your attention. For more information, visit cyberlink.com/FaceMe or contact us at faceme-sales@cyberlink.com.